dance to that party.
Hold on, guys. See why it flips. Sorry, come on. Look at it. You don't see a difference?
And shorty got the fatty. Shorty be catching mood swings.
Okay, guys, I'm getting hot too in here. Is the AC on?
Yes, dear.
Getting hot. Okay, so taking this last shot before I leave. The place that we're going to closes at 1, so yeah.
You don't really want? What are you asking me for? I hope you sold it at your home too. You want me to give you the address? I got you.
It's so crazy. We try to escape the pandemic, you know, because LA is so strict. Out here, it's you're right. Out here, it's bad, guys. Like we try to do a photo op, and the security guard was looking at us. I'm thinking like, oh, he admiring my video.
No.
Then he was like, "Put your mask on when you take your picture." And I thought he playing. He had like he was trying to reach for a mask. I
I
said,
have masks for you.
"Yeah, I said we have a mask. I just want to take this, you know, a quick little, you know."
They're not
video.
playing.
Out here, no.
And that's a good thing. I'm glad.
Yeah, right here. Yes, I like this thing. So we are at the Flamingo.
Right. Meeting some of the
Her friends.
our friends.
It should be okay.
That's not Kool-Aid.
How you know?
I know.
She's talking about my. She all of it. My like what's in here. This lipstick is popping, guys.
What's the plan?
Okay, I'm taking another 2 more sips and then we leaving. I'm gonna show you guys our outfit. You hungry already?
Well, you tried it.
No, I want to show you guys her outfit, my outfit, and our new
Yes.
accessories from like Bourgeois Boutique. Like, I'm so amazed. Like, we bought this from our wholesaler, and I was like, I don't know how it's gonna look. I tried it on, and I love it, guys. You guys should order it. This necklace, the set that I have, it comes with a set of 3. Hers is just the Gemini one. You guys,
Zodiac.
yes. Oh my, I'm gonna
Gemini.
don't worry. I'm gonna show you guys some good pictures when we walk out here. We'll take 2 more sips, and then we out of here. I want a Gabo.
You want to gamble tonight?
I feel like I'm gonna win $1,500.
Well, today's Thursday, so my plan is we're gonna stay out. We're gonna walk around. I need some cute flip flops to take off these heels. So, excuse our shoe.
Yeah, I'm not gonna show you our feet. But yeah, I feel like I'm gonna win $1,500 today, or this whole weekend. One of these weekends, I'm gonna win $1,500. All right,
You're
so
already a winner.
she played too much. All right, let's go before this closes. This place closed early, and Vegas.
At 1.
Usually Vegas don't close till like 4. But this COVID is really real, guys. All right, I'll see you guys in there.